Are you someone who's studying class 10 CBSE and you are confused about to use which formula to use for which sum in electricity numerals? This video is for you. In this video, we are going to see list of all important formulas to do the sums in the electricity chapter. The first and foremost formula is V equal to IR. In some questions, they will ask you to find the relationship between current and potential difference. That time, it's nothing but we need to use the Ohm's formula to find the voltage. Voltage is nothing but the potential difference. Potential difference will be equal to current into resistance. The relationship between them is nothing but when the potential difference increases, current will also increase because potential difference is directly proportional to current. So the relationship between current and the potential difference is they are directly proportional. So while doing the sums, if they given current and the resistance and they are asking you to find the potential difference, you need to use this formula V equal to IR, and the value, final value, by multiplying current and resistance, you need to put the unit of that voltage will be V. V is the unit for the potential difference. For suppose if they are asking you to calculate the total resistance of the series combination of resistance in a circuit, that time you need to use this formula. 1 by total resistance in the parallel circuit will be equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. If they given just two resistance, you can use 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. According to the sum you need to use. As many resistors they connected, as many R1, R2, R3, it will be increasing. The SI unit for the resistance is ohm. After finding out the solution, the total resistance, you need to write the answer as 6 ohm or 10 ohm. What's the answer you got? With that you write this ohm at the end. Teachers will be reducing marks if you don't mention the SI unit for the questions while doing the sums in the electricity. So you need to mention the formula and then substitute the values, and at the end you need to write the SI unit along with the answer. When the resistors are connected in series, that time we need to use this formula. Total resistance will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And you also note that when the resistors are connected in parallel, when the current passing through, there will be different current passing through R1 and the different current passing through R2. So current will be different when the resistors are connected in the parallel, but the potential difference for the each resistance will be same. But when it is connected in series, current will be same throughout the circuit, but the potential difference will change for each resistance. Parallel, current different, voltage same, and then in the series, potential difference different and current is same. And there were some questions which was asked in the board exam. In that questions they are asking us to find the electrical resistivity. They will be giving the resistance, they will give the length of the wire, and they will give the area of cross section of that wire. That time you need to use this formula. Electrical resistivity equal to resistance into area by the length. You just substitute the values of resistance, area, and divide by length. You will be getting the answer for electrical resistivity. The SI unit for the electrical resistivity is ohm meter. This is the main question. We can get many questions from this topic. Electric power. Normally electric power formula is power equal to V into I, potential difference into I. Sometimes they will ask you to write in terms of V and R. That time we need to use this formula. Power equal to potential difference square by the resistance. Sometimes if they ask you to write in the terms of current and resistance, that time you need to use. So according to the values they given, if they given voltage and current, that time if they ask you to find the power, you use this formula. If they given voltage and the resistance, you use this formula. If they given current and the resistor, not the voltage, you can use this formula. And the SI unit for the power is watt. Watts, you can write the capital W. For the power, there is another formula also. Power will, if they given energy and the time, that time you need to use this formula for the power. Power is having two different formulas. This is the majority of the questions will be asked based on this question, this formula. Only one question I noticed in the board exam got with this formula. Power rating. Power is equal to energy by time. They will give energy and they will give time. That time you can use this formula. That's all for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe Board Exam Booster channel. Thank you.